How y'all doing out there? This song I enjoy. I like this song. It's by BBD. 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 It was the old new edition that broke up, and they made three of them made a group called the BBD, and it goes a little something like this. You know, it's the song of they song Poison. Talk about a girl that is dangerous. You gotta stay away from. All right, this is for all y'all out there, my fans. Girl, I must warn you. I seen something strange in your mind. Situations get serious. Let's go because we're running out of time. It's driving me out of my mind. And that's why it's hard for me to find. Can't get it out of my head. Miss her, kiss her, love her. That girl is poison. If I was you, I'd take precaution before I step to meet a fly girl. Cause in some motion, her face is the best thing in the world. She's so fly, she'll drive you right out of your mind. Steal your heart when you're blind. Beware, she's scheming. She'll make you think you're dreaming. You'll fall in love and you'll be screaming. Deep in poison, deadly, moving slow. Looking for a mellow fella like the Vogue, getting plays. Let it low, L.O. folk show. The old pro should be cut like an afro. So what you saying, huh? She's weighing you, but I know she's a loser. How do you know? Me and the crew used to do her. Put poison. Put poison. See, I was at the park just taking the ball, and that night I played the wall. Checking out the fellows, the highs and lows. Still I went out open, still clocking the holes. Still the one of the people, girl, stood out from the rest. Poison ass could be, I had the power chest. Michael Bivins here, and I'm running the show. Bell Bid DeVoe. Now you know. Yo, split blow. It's driving me out of my mind. And that's why it's hard for me to find. Can't get it out of my head. Miss her, kiss her, love her. That girl is poison. Put poison. That girl is poison. That girl is poison. It's driving me out of my mind. That's why it's hard for me to find. Can't get it out of my head. Miss her, kiss her, love her. That girl is poison. Thank you.